Okay, so today we're just going to show you the ST3100 plastic foam nozzle. It's made from food safe plastics. Typically this nozzle will complement the ST3100 wash gun, and it will just connect via a quick release coupling. This nozzle is used within the food industry for open plant cleaning. It enables the user to spray really thick foam onto vertical surfaces and machinery for cleaning and disinfection purposes. Some of the main benefits of this nozzle is it's a lightweight nozzle. It's much more cost effective and cheaper than other versions, and it can also be colour coded if you're using a colour coded strategy within your work zones.